Here's interesting apps called Momo AI photo generator. So you can just tap on it, tap get, and then you just have it here. Momo is a revolutionary AI photo generator app. It's the most advanced AI technology which can be used for a job hunt. Momo AI photo generator lets you create professional looking business headshots, dating app profile pictures, and social media posts. So you can create your AI profile, generate photorealistic AI headshots, choose from variety of styles. So this is one of those AI headshot apps, and let's just test it out. So here's the app, and you can have a 7-day full access for $10 or yearly access for $40. And then you can create LinkedIn, you can create office photos, you can create AI video, Christmas, horoscopes, you can create movie characters, tattoo, Y2K, hairstyles, so all kinds of packs you can try out. So then AI analyzes your appearance, and then you need to pick 8 to 12 photos of yourself. You can see some descriptions. It's very important. So here I just have some photos. Oh, it's all types of photos I have here. Pick your gender, name your model, and then unfortunately you need to upgrade. So here you need to upgrade, but I mean it's quite a good app. Yeah, so basically you can just try it and see how it goes. So there you have it.